Hi, it's Beth Kingston with Xyron, and this is your tip of the day brought to you by Scrapbook Expo. Today I'm going to show you how to make fridge magnets super easy, super fast, super inexpensive, all using the new Xyron Creative Station Light. Look how cute it is. One of my favorite refills in the world that Xyron makes is the magnet refill. So I'm going to take, all you need is a picture, a pair of scissors, the magnet refill. This is a picture of my nieces and nephew. Hello, children. I'm going to insert it into the machine, turn the handle, and this is laminate on the front and magnet on the back. So I'm going to go ahead and run it through. Again, I can just use my trimmer. So because I made a smaller photo, if I did like a 5x7, it would fit perfectly. But all I need to do is take my scissors. And it's great because it's firm enough that it's going to stick on your fridge, but it's flexible enough that I can actually cut it with my scissors. You just cut around it and you instantly have a fridge photo. You can make it at home. You don't have to run to the store. Perfect stocking stuffer idea, birth announcement, wedding invitation, so many great ideas. You can use leftover project life cards. I mean, the possibilities are just endless. I love it so much. Thanks for tuning in to this tip of the day from Scrapbook Expo. For more information about Xyron products, come check us out at Xyron.com.